Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to integrate Calendly with Zoom. Firstly, visit the Calendly website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, just sign up. Go to the home page and click Integrations button at the top right of the taskbar. Find and click the Zoom logo under Available Integrations. Click the Connect Zoom button and you'll be redirected to Zoom for authorization. Log in with your Zoom credentials if prompt, then click Authorize to grant Calendly access to your Zoom account. Once connected, Calendly will automatically add Zoom meeting links to invitations. You can create a new event. Just click the plus new event type from your homepage and choose one-on-one, group, collective, or round-robin event. In the event settings, look for the location field, click next to the text box and select Zoom from the drop-down menu and save your changes. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.